In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in Pixel Gun 3D. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you have to do to play 1v1 in Pixel Gun 3D is first make sure you unlock the private lobby option. Once you have it unlocked, select to battle at the main menu and choose the game mode you want to 1v1 in. I'm just going to go ahead and select classic mode. In order to unlock private matches, as you can see over here, you need to have at least 120 XP. So after you acquire 120 experience points, go into the classic games or whatever game mode you want to 1v1 and select private over here. It's going to connect to the server and it's going to display all of the current private matches. What you have to do here is select create at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will get the option to give a name to your room, as you can see on the top, and a password. So for example, I'm just going to type TYTY and press OK. So I can choose one of the maps and select create. Now, all my friend has to do is go over to the private lobbies, find my room by using the same name as you saw over there, and join the room with the password I input. Once you load it into the game, you and your friend simply have to join opposite teams and you will be able to 1v1. I hope I was able to help you on how to 1v1 in Pixel Gun 3D. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.